Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to trace a wire sequence and then we will learn how to edit a wire sequence. Before starting you can see here C03 underscore tute 03 drawing is saved with the name C03 underscore tute 04 drawing and it is added to the CADCIM project list with the process that is discussed in previous videos, and then it is dragged to the tutorials folder of the CADCIM project. Now, to trace a wire sequence, first we need to select the wire network for which you want to trace the sequence. Let us zoom in over here and select this wire network. Right click on this network. A marking menu is displayed. In this marking menu, go to the wire sequence option and choose the show wire sequence tool from it. On doing so, you can see here the first wire connection sequence is being shown here with green arrows, and also the command prompt shows 1 of 3, which means the first wire connection sequence out of 3 wire connections is shown. Also you will be prompted to press spacebar for the next wire connection. So press spacebar for the next wire connection. The next wire connection sequence is displayed in the drawing area and 2 of 3 is displayed here in the command prompt. Again you will be prompted to press the spacebar key. Now the third wire connection sequence, which is the last wire connection sequence for this wire network, is displayed here indicated by the green arrows. Next you are prompted to press the spacebar key again. After that it is prompted in the command prompt that you need to either press spacebar if you want to quit, or you need to press 1 if you want to repeat the tracing of wire connection sequence. So let us press spacebar to quit the tool. Next, let us discuss how to edit the wire sequence. To do so, you can use the marking menu to choose the edit wire connection sequence tool, or you can choose the schematic tab and then go to the edit wires wire numbers panel, click on this arrow and then click on the wire sequence drop down here and choose the edit wire sequence tool. You are prompted to select wire network to process. Let us select the same wire network which we have used for tracing the wire connection sequence. Now using the edit wire connection sequence dialog box, we can edit the wire connection sequence. To do so, let us select the last row in this list and then choose the move up button. In this way the wire connection sequence is edited. After editing the wire connection sequence, let us choose the OK New button. Now if you want to edit another wire connection sequence, you can select that, and if you want to quit this tool, you can press the escape key. Now let us verify whether this wire connection sequence is edited or not. So to verify it, let us choose the show wire sequence tool again. To do so, right click on this wire network and then in this marking menu, let us choose this show wire sequence tool. Now if you see, this is the first wire connection sequence. Then let us press spacebar to check the second wire connection sequence. Now here you can notice that this wire connection sequence is changed. And then you can again press spacebar to check the third wire connection sequence in the network. Now let us press spacebar and then again spacebar key to quit the tool. So in this way we notice that the wire connection sequence is edited for the selected wire network. Next, let us save this drawing by pressing Ctrl plus S. That is all in this video. Now you know how to trace a wire sequence in the network, and you also know how to edit a wire sequence. Thank you for watching the video.